Preparing the rice for a super cute penguin onigiri. Make round rice balls. Draw the size of the rice ball on the baking paper with a marker. Shaping penguin face. Fold the shaped baking paper in half and cut it out so that the face is symmetrical. Place the face-shaped baking sheet in the center of the seaweed sheet, fold the sheet in half, and cut out the shape of a face. Then wrap the seaweed sheet around a round rice ball. Make cuts with scissors and roll it into a ball. Use Nori cutter for the eye. Stick baked pasta into the corn that will become the beak to secure the rice ball. This pasta is an edible toothpick. Make cheeks with ketchup. Cute penguin. Fold the ham in half. Cut off the color part. Make cuts at a 45-degree angle. Roll it up. Pretty flower is done. Place the broccoli in the middle. Nice. Place the halloumi in the middle. Looks good. Cut the apple into quarters, removing the seed from the center. Cut off both ends of the apple. Make cuts to make a square shape. Use the corner of a knife to peel the apple's skin in a checker pattern. It looks gorgeous, isn't it? Use tamagoyaki omelette pans to make thin egg sheet. Cut the sausage in half, cook in a frying pan. Make a thin egg sheet using one egg. Use a spatula to flip the sheet. Make cut in the sausage. This will be the center part of the sunflower. Cut the egg sheet in half, fold it in half and make a cut. This will be the petal part of the sunflower. Roll it up with the sausage. Beautiful, isn't it? If you like, cut off any excess petals and secure with a toothpick. Apply oil to the bottom to prevent sticking. Cook the marinated chicken in the air fryer. The recipe is in the description. There is some visual appeal lunchbox hacks. Red, cherry tomatoes, strawberries, red capsicum, yellow, tamagoyaki, corn, pumpkin, green, broccoli, spinach, cucumber, white, rice, boiled egg, brown, meatballs, mushrooms, sesame seeds. Adding these colors to your lunchbox will make it look even more delicious.